Are you ready? What is this month's? May? May bark box. Boops and scoops. It's got a corgi there. Alright, so we got the old pumpkin and honeys. Ooh, beef ones. You got the chews. Okay, now you got, let's see what this is. Brain freeze pup. It's like a popsicle, but a brain. And then we've got Scooper Chewer Swirl. Oh, at least you got a little double swirl ball that looks like poop, like you like to eat. You want to open one for them? Yeah. That one's poop. I mean, chocolate and vanilla. And this is a brain freeze popsicle. And then we've got some jerky sticks, chicken recipe. And then we've got some soft bake rolls. Pork is the first ingredient. This one. Oh. Lol, put the brain freeze down. Put it down. Ooh, Oak, you like the swirl? It matches your hair. It matches your hair, Oak. Okay, do you want this one or this one? This one or this one? Which one do you want? Oak, tell me which one you want. None of them? You just want another toy? Oh, well, I'll drop the brain freeze. Where's the brain freeze? Okay. Oh, since they won't share the toys, you can have a whole entire jerky stick. Yep. Oh, snatch. He's so cute, Oak. Oh, Oak got the squeak. It's the super chewers, so they're the very durable ones.
Yeah, they feel like it too.
Alright, get back. Get back. Oakley, sit. Can you shake? Good. Other paw. Now the other one. Thank you. Other paw. 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 Thank you. High five. Good girl. Up high? Yes. Get back. Atlas, get back. Down low. Good girl. Can you wave? Yes. Good wave. Okay, you get a whole stick. Good job. Okay, Atlas, your turn. You sit. Sit. Shake. This is the special one. Other paw. Thank you. Come on, I can't see it because of the view of the camera. Where, Atlas? Sit. High five. No, just a regular high five. Good boy. Up high. No, not you, Oak. Atlas, up high. Good boy. Can you lay down? Atlas, lay down. Lay down. Go. In the camera, I keep wondering why you're looking up, but it's because you're looking at my eyes. You're such a good dog. You're such a good dog. Okay. Brain pop. Brain freeze. Alright, so Atlas. Oh, I never gave you your treat, even though you didn't roll over. But there you go. Wait, you get away from me, little tiny thing.
Really?
Get back, little wiener. Oakley, leave it. Good boy, Atlas. Billy dog. Can you do a high five? How about an up high? Good girl. Down low. Good girl. You can have. Ah, there he goes. Little ninja. You guys want to do some more tricks? No. Atlas, sit. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. Good puppies. Atlas, spin. Good spin. Oh, spin. Spin. Ouch. Good puppies. Hey, look at this swirly toy. Look at your swirly toy. You guys just want a treat. You just want a treat.